Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Fantasia. I'm sewing with Tay. I make videos on all type of things, lifestyle, sewing, DIYs. I've been trying to document my mini life process, but hasn't really been happening. And also, one of my favorite things, which I don't get to make a lot of videos about, is coffee. Can you see that? This is a advent calendar from Nespresso. It's a little shiny there. I got this a couple weeks ago, and my Nespresso maker has been on the fritz, and I was just like gonna get to it, never got to it. So I decided that it's Christmas, my kids are playing, doing their thing. I feel like I'm just gonna go through the box so we can see what's in here, so that once I do get my Nespresso mixer, Nespresso coffee maker situation fixed, then I can actually taste some of the coffees. So if any of that is your cup of tea, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you know when I'm making new videos. And then we're gonna hop right into the box. All right, here's my box. I'm gonna open her up. It's real cute. There we go. Here she is. Super cute. Now how do we... Oh, here we go. Here's the front. Alright, let's open the box. So we have all of these stays here. See that? Alright, let's see door number 1. Unforgettable double espresso. Where is door number 2? Flavored roasted hazelnuts. I do love a hazelnut coffee. I can get it out. Let's see number 3. This one is Aaron Arandio. Have to look up what that is. That was 3. Where's 4? Alticio. It's an espresso. Intenso. I wonder if this is like a black coffee. Okay, where is 6? Okay, these are incredibly hard to get out with my nails on. Bianco Doppio is for milk. It's a little gold color. That was 6. Where's 7? Down here. Almond croissant flavor. That looks pretty. Ooh, double espresso squirrel. It's the brown one. Do love a double espresso or triple. 8. Let's go 9. I was hoping that some of these wouldn't be coffee. I was hoping to have something different in here, but I'm okay with it. Number 9 is Mexico Mexique. MEXIQE. Mexican? I don't know. It's green. Okay, that's 9, 10. Furtado decaffeinado. I don't do no decaffeinated coffee, but here we are. 11. Voltesso. Looking for 12. There's 13. 17, 19, 22, 14. Oh. It's right here in the front. This is flavored sweet vanilla. Looks cute. 13. Ristretto Classico. That's a pretty one. That was 13. I think 14's on this side. Peanut and roasted sesame flavor. That's interesting. Just a little peach cap. Oh no. 15. Colombia. Alright. 16. Double espresso. Oh no. Just a regular double espresso. And 17. Cortado. 18. Double espresso. I feel like I've seen this already. These ones do not want to come out. Double espresso. That was 18. We have 19. Melodio. It's a gold one. 20. It says number 20. Has a very pretty cup. This light is so bright. 20. 1. Golden caramel. A little swirl. 22. Dio Belitio. It's a blue cup. Blue capsule. 22. Almost there. 23. Bianco Forte. For milk. Brown. Like goldish brown color. 23. And then 24 is up here at the top. Looks like a bigger one. Whoa. There's a cup in here. This is so cute. Did not expect that. Okay. How do you... unforgettable double espresso. I feel like we started with that. And then we have a very cute mug. Some of the light focus. There you go. Very cute cup. Very simple cup. And I think that's it, friends. That was 24 days. It's a very cute box. So, hopefully I get my espresso maker up and running soon so I can actually taste some of these coffees. But I am super excited about this unforgettable double espresso because I'm a triple espresso girl. So I'm hoping this is something different than what they've offered previously. But until next time, bye. This is a really cool box.